What's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are in my kitchen and we're having a little bit of fun with some product photography. Now I can't take full credit for this idea. I saw a video by Peter Mckinnon that got me thinking and I thought, you know what? A lot of stuff that I do is based around water or water activities or water sport gadgets, different things like that. And I thought that this would be a really fun idea to try out. And you guys may have seen another video of mine where I talk about the Bodhi Floaty, which keeps your GoPro afloat. Helps make sure that your GoPro doesn't sink if you drop it in the lake or whatever. So they sent me a new product that they just came out with. It's a new suction cup mount, which also floats. So I thought that this was a great opportunity to give this splash product photography a try, as well as take some product photography shots for the guys at Bodhi Floaty and send them their way. All right, so let's check out the setup and let's get into it. So I went to the local pet store. I picked up a 10-gallon fish tank. They had a deal going on, so it was meant to be. But they had a deal going on and it was only $10 for 10 gallons, which was pretty sweet. These lights I got off Amazon and I already had them for other projects anyway. And they're super handy to have for different shoots anyway, so I recommend getting them. I'll link everything I used today in the description below so you can check it out. We have the fish tank. It's being lit up by 2 LED lights. You can get those off Amazon. So we've got the fish tank. We didn't want to fill up the water too much because you actually want to see the product drop in and you want to see some splash as well. I think that's pretty cool. And then in the back here, we just have basically a big roll of paper, black paper used for photography, portraits, things like that. So I'm shooting over here on the GH5. I've got it set up with a 42.5 millimeter, which on this camera, it comes out to be an 85 millimeter. And I'm shooting at 180 frames per second. I did some shots in 120 frames per second. And then for still photos, we are shooting at a 1.7, which you can shoot either between a 1.7 or a 2.8, just depending on the product that you're shooting or how much you want in focus. But I like the shallow depth of field, and then it also kind of gives that black abyss look behind it. We're shooting at 1.7. We've got the shutter speed pretty high because we want to freeze the action. And then to compensate for that, I've got the ISO set at around 500 to 800. I don't want it too high, but I also want the item to look good. So let's get into it and let's give it a try. Different things are gonna let off more or less bubbles. Some things are gonna sink faster. Some things are gonna float completely. So I have a few different items that I'm gonna drop and see how they look and just practice. Well, you can't really see me. We've got the lights off now. I recruited my beautiful wife to drop in some items and we're gonna give it a try. Let's see how it looks. So when you shoot your photos, you wanna make sure that you've got it on a high burst mode. That way you're not trying to take one photo or 3 photos and hopefully nail it. And when it's time to drop, hold the trigger down, let it take a bunch of photos, and then hopefully you'll get one that you like out of that. And if not, try it again. So here we go and drop. We just need to wipe off the glass a little bit. All right, so that worked out really good. I'm really excited about how the photos and videos turned out. The slow motion of things dropping in the water, I thought it looked really good. Hopefully this video encourages you guys to get out, try something new, learn something new with your camera, try some new photo, try some new video techniques. Doesn't necessarily have to be this, but continue to try to learn, continue to try to grow your skills and see where it takes you. If you enjoyed this video, leave it a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in another video.